Eldorado Bird Reserve is located 959 miles north of the city of Bogota, near Minca, in the department of Magdalena, on the San Lorenzo Ridge, this being part of the spectacular and snow-capped Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta, the nearest mountain to the sea in the world. The journey from Bogota can be made either by land or air to Santa Marta, and then it takes 2.5 hours on a rough road to the reserve. Due to the urgency of conserving one of the most fragile and important ecosystems in Colombia, ProAves established the Eldorado Bird Reserve in 2006, thanks to the help of American Bird Conservancy and Conservation International. The Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta is a habitat with a great number of animals and plants, such as the Santa Marta parakeet. Listed as endangered with extinction, but today protected in perpetuity by ProAves. One of the research processes developed by ProAves is the construction and installation of artificial nest boxes for endangered parrots, which lack sufficient nest holes due to the felling of trees. The project includes monitoring and recording of nests, such as this one, occupied by a female Santa Marta parakeet and her young. Additionally, we rely on the Adopt a Nest Box program, thanks to which people such as you can donate a sum of money to install and monitor a nest box, thereby increasing the reproduction possibilities of an endangered species of parrot. Some of the other species protected in the reserve are Santa Marta mountain tanager, white-lord warbler, black-billed flycatcher, blossom crown, white-tipped quetzal, as well as amphibians such as the critically endangered San Lorenzo harlequin frog. The Eldorado Reserve consists of pre-montane and high Andean forests with a high percentage of primary and secondary vegetation with little intervention, which are big producers and retainers of water of great importance for the hydrology of the region. About 20 years ago, a reforestation project with non-native pines was established, and this has damaged the ecosystem. ProAves, as one of its conservation activities, is carrying out a reforestation program which seeks to replace these pines with native species, such as the wax palm. The reserve's forest guards undertake this reforestation with seedlings grown in the nursery. This not only conserves the native forests and the water catchment area, but attracts and protects the endemic birds. It is a marvelous experience to be able to get to know and love the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta. By visiting us, you not only have the opportunity of enjoying a marvelous experience, but you're also helping to conserve the world's fauna and flora. Come and fly with us.